A man once said to a nightingale, "Oh, nightingale, how nice it would be if you weren't black. Do you know that?" The same man said again with a rose, "Oh, rose, if you don't have these thorns, you know how beautiful you are." The same person again went to the sea and said, "Oh, sea, you are so big but not useful to anyone. Do you know how nice if you weren't salty?" Then the nightingale, the rose, and the sea, all three of them together, said to the man, "Hey man, do you know, if you do not have the habit of finding faults in others, you would be more and more beautiful. As long as you don't know this, you will live with unhappy." After saying so, the tree has disappeared.